Hello, in today's quick Grok video, we will go over Search the EDG, a free text and faceted search capability that goes across all asset collections in TopBraid EDG. I am switching to TopBraid EDG now, and to invoke the Search the EDG, I could start typing in this box. When I said that it searches across all asset collections in EDG, I meant that it searches across all asset collections that have been indexed for this feature. This decision is made when you first create an asset collection, and it can be modified later on the Manage tab of the asset collection. If I want to see which ones have been indexed for Search the EDG, I could click on the I button and I will see the list. Let me type in the search term, customer, and click on the search button. And I will see presented a page of results. And on the left, there will also be calculated facets. The kind of information I see presented is by default a name and the description or definition. If it doesn't exist, then it's not going to be shown. But this is something that can be configured and customized for your installation. The facets are automatically calculated based on the most commonly populated fields in my result set. So they will change depending on my search and depending on the facet selections that I make within the search. Also, if I don't see some facet but want to add it, I could start typing and see an autocomplete property then can be added as a facet. It may not necessarily have information, but it will be added. By default, there will be up to 10 facets, and then I could add additional ones. So let me show you how the facets are changing when I start to narrow down the results. In addition to doing a simple single word search as I did to get started, I could also use advanced search syntax with Boolean searches and ors, nots, etc. To do this, I must click on this option, use advanced syntax, and then let me reset the search. By the way, for your users that will be not typical everyday users of EDG that participate in editorial processes and will just primarily be interested to find information that is captured in EDG, you could make this page to be their homepage, for example, if they are Explorer users and just need a simple search user interface. So let me type this client for security. The Boolean keywords should always be typed in capital letters. So you see the results here, and you see how in this case we have somewhat different facets as well. I could click on any of the results. Let me right click to open it in a new tab. And I will see it displayed in its home asset collection where I could see additional information and perform operations that are available there. I also see some buttons below the result. The first button shows endorsements. If there have been any endorsements, I've endorsed this before. You could also add your own endorsements here. There are a comments button where you could see available comments and add new comments. If this search is performed on the Explorer node, then the comments will be sent to TopBraid EDG proper to make them available to the data stewardship and curation team. Then there is a link that shows neighborgram visualization, a graph view of this selected asset. Make it a little bit bigger. And of course, we could continue to walk the graph, making any kind of selections that we need. And see more information. The other icons show additional visualizations that have to do with traceability and lineage. You may see more icons like this depending on the nature of the assets. For example, for the data assets or technical assets, there may be additional diagramming views corresponding to the options that you will see on the Assets Explorer menu. And this concludes our quick demonstration of Search the EDG. Thank you for watching.